Hi friends, my name is Diksha Madlani. Welcome back to another video of my YouTube channel. So today I am going to talk about why we need to learn English. Why we should learn English. Are we not happy with our native language? Are we not happy to speak Hindi? Because Hindi is our native language, right? Then what is the reason behind it? Learning this language. What is the reason learning English language? Of course, we are very happy. We are very proud to be an Indian. We are very happy with our native language. If I talk about myself, so I really love my Hindi language. And I really love also my Marathi language because my mother tongue is Marathi. And I have done my qualification in Hindi language. So I love both languages. And English is my third language. But there are some reasons behind it why I am learning this language. If you have reason, then let me know in the comment box. Okay? So, where I was? Yeah, I was asking you why you are learning this language. If I talk about myself, so I am learning this language because when I was in school, at that time I used to see many people who speak in English very well. They speaking English very well, and I used to think at that time that when I will be able to speak in English, when I will speak English like her, like him, I used to think at that time. But I am from Hindi medium school, and yes, there was a subject English, but I never took it seriously, and I used to study only for pass the exam. And at that time the teacher was teaching me English subject. She was used to speak in Hindi, and she used to teaching English with Hindi. That is the reason today I am not very good at English, but in these days I am working on my English and I am learning this language because there are some reasons. The first reason is English is global language. We all know English is international language, English is global language. If we want to communicate in all over the world with anyone, we will have to speak in English. We cannot speak in our native language. If someone know our native language, then we can speak in our native language. But if you don't know your native language, then what will you do? You will have to speak in English with that person, right? So English learning is very important for communication. The second reason is with English we can study in all over the world. If we want to study in all over the world, we should know English language, because many universities are providing courses in English language, right? Not in other countries. Even if I talk about our country, even if I talk about India, so in India there are many universities who are providing courses in English language. That is why we need to learn English for study, right? And the next reason is for get a job, right? If you want to do job in a multinational company, then we will have to speak in English, because multinational companies are based on English language. If you want to work in that, then you will have to learn English. You will have to communicate with others in English language. You cannot use Hindi language there. That is why you will have to learn English language, and you will have to work in English language. And not only in MNCs, there are many fields who are taking interviews in English language. I have given many interviews in broken English, but I rejected by them because I was not good at English. I was unable to speak a single sentence in English. I used to speak in Hindi with the interviewer. Then, so I rejected many times, and after rejection, I decided that I will work on my English. I will improve my English, and that is the main reason I am learning this language. I have hunger for learning this language. I am very passionate for English, and I trust on myself that one day I will be able to speak like a native speaker. This is my starting point, but I know one day will come when I will speak English fluently. So you should have this type of obsession, right? You should be passionate for it, because English is very helpful for everything. And I have another one reason is for learning this language. I want to become an English trainer. I want to help others to learn this language. That is why I have created this channel, because I want to improve my English and I want to help others. I know I am making mistakes while speaking, but I know that as well. Somebody will come and comment me in my comment box, and he or she will correct me. He or she will correct my grammar. I know it very well. That is why I have created this channel, because I want to correct my grammar and I want to improve my English. So I would like to stop here. If you haven't subscribed my channel, so subscribe it now. And if you like this video, then press the like button, and please press the bell icon, because you will get more videos about English language, right? And thanks for watching. Keep learning. Bye bye.